Hey guys, welcome back to my next video. So let's talk about the sneak peeks. So two new sneak peeks were introduced, one about the wax and one about the jump swell. So wax have been reintroduced by Supercell. Now they target multiple buildings, so it will be much more effective. And finally, it's been fixed. So now we can see many more people using wax, and there's a form exclusive update too that now we can rearm our traps and reload our defenses easily by just tapping our town hall. So they just confined all the reloads of their infernos and expos to just one button, so it will be really easy for us. So let's talk about the jump spell. So Supercell introduced new jump spell. So uh, one about the new level. Regardless, the spell will now affect all troops deployed, even those outside its radius. Plus, it will now cause troops to redirect themselves immediately if it opens up a more advantageous route close by. No more wandering about. So, it will be really effective. Now, troops will get over to a place where jump spell is effective and will target more specific targets which are advantageous for us. So it will be really cool, and there's another level to it. Level 3 has been introduced, and there's a form exclusive update too that now as the troops will go through, troops now work together to break through walls, targeting similar wall pieces instead of lot of different ones. So it will be really effective, but it can be disadvantage due to the barge attacks, as all the splash damage will target one bunch of troops. That will not be really helpful for us. So still, it's a good update. It will be really helpful for us. So that's all for today. I'll keep informing you guys for further updates, and I hope Supercell will release the update around Tuesday or Wednesday. I think that's that's when they have released most of their updates. So let's hope they release it, and it will be really exciting. So see ya. Thanks.